Yo, what is up my Apple Watch Pro family? And a lot of you guys are still asking me who won the Apple Watch giveaway. And I literally chose the winner last week. I actually did a live stream of the actual giveaway and a lot of you guys actually tuned in. I actually posted on the community tab who won, and the winner has still not contacted me. So I chose 3 winners, okay? And the 3 winners are, the third winner is called Big 7 Gaming, the second winner is called Jenny Garcia, and then the first winner, the person who actually won the giveaway, is Ryuga Destructor. So if you are Ryuga Destructor, you want a freaking Apple Watch, please contact me, because if not, if you don't actually contact me in 1 week, I will choose the second winner, Jenny Garcia. And then if Jenny Garcia doesn't reply, I will choose the third one. But Ryuga Destructor, you are the winner, so make sure to contact me. Congratulations, and thank you very much, everybody, for entering the giveaway. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video today. I will not be uploading. I uploaded a video yesterday. If you guys haven't checked that out, I chose what iPhone am I keeping, the iPhone 10 or the iPhone 8 Plus, and I chose this guy because I'm kind of, links will be down below if you guys want to watch that video. So anyways, today is actually a holiday here in Spain, and I just want to enjoy my day. I won't really be uploading a video, so I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. Have a great day. Peace out.